Ever wonder how you can take meals to go from Cornell's dining rooms? Well, we have a solution for you. Use our green, reusable, fill-it-forward containers that are microwave safe and made of over 50% recycled plastic. How do you get started with your first container? Well, to begin, you'll need to download the Fill It Forward app and create an account using your Cornell email. Once your account is created, follow the app's prompts to join the Cornell Dining group. The door checker will give you a paper slip that contains a unique QR code for you to scan using the red button at the bottom of the screen. Then you're going to continue following the setup prompts given to you by the app. At this point, the door checker will ask you to pay a one-time fee of $5. They will give you your first green container, and to check the container out, you will use the same red QR code button to scan the code on the top of the container. You'll show the blue checkmark to the door checker, and because you've just checked out a container, you should now see that you have 0 out of 1 containers available in your app. How do you return the containers to get a new one? Well, you'll begin by scanning the Fill It Forward QR code on the return sign in front of each door checker station. Then you'll scan the container you're returning and drop it in the return bin. Now you'll have 1 credit in your Borrow wallet on the app for 1 container. And if you would like to check out a new container at this time, you'll show the door checker your credit and they'll provide you with a new one. Scan the QR code on the new container and show the door checker the blue check mark on the app to confirm receipt. Some general rules to keep in mind when using the reusable containers is that they must be returned within 48 hours, emptied and rinsed. We cannot accept excessively soiled containers. If you plan on dining in and using the reusable container to take food to go, you will have to use 2 meal swipes. Containers are also not available and cannot be used at Risley and 104 West due to health, safety, and observance protocols. To prevent damaging the container when you're reheating your food, please only microwave it for 1 to 2 minutes on low or medium power and repeat as needed. By using these containers, you won't just reduce waste in the dining rooms. You'll also help fund global giving projects that make a difference. So next time you're in the dining rooms, make sure to grab your green container.